They won't do it for one.
那给他拿2条吧，2条1条太少了。拿2条。
Yeah. So the adventure begins.
53。
1斤1两。
那我们1斤可以，不是，我的意思说1条是够吗
？1条是做很难做的，你太少了也不好做了。
我只想尝一下。
是你想尝，但是做不好做呀。
好，那就这个吧。
Okay, this is the cool bit. Oh, gone. That's the head gone. Cut the head.
这个切短一点。
不能剪短。
Alors, vaut mieux le regarder par la vidéo. Ouais, ça doit faire... Ah la vache. Ouais, ouais.
太大块了吧？
Et il laisse ses os dedans en plus.
Did you see the tail? Did you see the tail? It's still moving.
Évidemment, il y a toute la foule autour. Il y a toute la foule autour maintenant, regardez tous. Les blancs qui viennent manger du serpent. Non? Ah oui, la queue qui bouge encore là. And now he goes to the kitchen. See, we're good for business. It's gonna get cooked. Don't say that because I want to eat it. But at least it stopped moving now. What a weird chicken with no legs, no wings. We've got a whole crowd now. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Still got a crowd, which is fantastic. Hello, ni hao. We eat here, yeah, come on. Yeah. I don't know. I was thinking of taking the chopsticks from the office, but I kind of forgot. Just imagine the chips. Try this. Going to something. I'm a foreigner?
Yes, no, why?
That's nice.
That looks delicious.
Yeah, I can see how 500 grams is really not a lot.
I didn't think it was going to cook itself there earlier. I mean, that's going to do that.
Yeah. Oh, and it's ending up here.
好，可以了，可以了，在这里。
Where's the heart?
You see?
Oh yeah.
这个水蛋，水蛋。
Alright, come on guys. So how do we eat this? Oh, with chopsticks. Oh, he's got chopsticks. He's the man. Cheshire. Alright, I'm going to try first. Lily, what are you eating?
Ale.
Ooh, even Danka's trying it. Ooh.
I agree with first two.
It is quite.
You
Yes.
just
You
think
think it's
about
spicy?
this snail. Ale. Ale.
Eel.
Eel.
Eel, not ale. Not aye. Aye is garlic. It's not good.
No, I is raw.
Ale.
Elo and
Alright? Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to have some more. Yeah, it's kind of like.
What point do you eat and what point don't you eat?